Triska inti hian Reddit lama hian he kan entur video hi aron pho chuaka he thil thlen na hi ama in ni lovin apa te chen nei ina thil thleng ania apa te hian home security camera te chu in chunga chuan an han fit ve takna chu thil dang lam a thleng ngai mi lova ma se tum khat chu zandar ko vela hian he thil dang lam tak mai hi an camera cam chuan lo detect fu in thil chu alo record fuwa chut layan hun dokan bula hian thilvar eng thil nge ni ti po hriat chi theilo hi a chekul lai hi alo lang theya kan soi duang khan he thil thlen hun hi zan rei po lani lovin zandar kwa vel chau alania chuti rualin he ina hian engemoni thla lampang thil chuan ngam patakin aron in larani ti chu a chiang reng maya then khat chuan he thilvar lo lang hi ate tham ema wangin no pang thla lampang thil aron in larani te chuan ring dawa ma se chiang taka pen mang mumal anei lo wang hian hriat thiam po a har hleya no pang thla lampang te po chu alo ni ve thei tho mai bok eng thil nge nia I hriat vele Stephanie te chung ko hian in pakhat hi lei tharin chu in chu an chei tha a chu in chunga chuan makdeu main thil danglam tak mai hi an mu chuaka mun pakhata hian lunglu chi khat crystal an ti chu alo om khom tal maya in nei tu masaten chan engama wanga an da ni chu ringin khoi po chu an khoi chengam ri lawa an rinda na chuan chu crystal chu an che nei in veng tu ni te chuan an ngaya ma se alo ni chiangem pon laman kam motion activated camera chuan zan khat chu thil danglam tak mai hi alo record fu tlat maya kha crystal nen khan in kung kaina an nei thengem ilo enang anin pon lam mun pakhata hian mihring pian ang tak mai thilvar vek hi arong kal phei lai hi alo lang theya zan rei towa thil thleng alo ni nen he thil hlom na hi ati zual hle maya he thilvar hi screen veilama chuan kal phei zelin chuta rei lawa a thamral zui ta ni heti thamral ta ka chuan mihring ani lo ti chu ati chiang ta viau maya hen chennai in le che vela hian thla lampang thil alo om ve reng ani thengem an chennai na crystal om khan he thil hi local theilovin asiam nge kha crystal khan hen thla te hi a ko khom ni tang le ngai tu na ati thui du hle ni Walter le chen pa pakhat hian Scotland ram hi an fang du na chuti kong puya an kal lai chuan an ma chuan in lian tak mai lua to lo ti hriat tak mai hi an va muwa chuta thom dang lam tak mai hi hria in an va kal na ya chuta chuan he thil hi an va muta ni
It is a ghost.
It's just a wind.
Mate. Must be a ghost.
No, it's a wind.
No, it's a ghost.
Let's go.
There's nothing else there. What else could it be? I told you it was fucking haunted.
Chu building ruaka tukver pakhat khuna chu ama chuan arun in hong chen maya voi khat mai po ni lo voi engemaw zat mai chu ama chuan run in hongin ain khar le ngal zela hati in hon lai khan uluk takin achung lampang hi vai en taila mihring om ang eng thilma a ummi lovani mihring tena an lu alum to lawani ti kha kan soi towa ma se eng thil chuan nge he in hi la chen chit ni tang le khatianga kongkhar khuna ama in hong thei tur chuan engamoni tak thina tak a thoni lo chuan thil thei ani lovani YouTube lama hian Rubicon hian a motor das ke mina alo record fu thil dang lam tak mai glitchin da metric ati mai chu arun pho chu ka Robi hi kongpuya chuan motor khalin atlan meka heti tlan mek lai hian red light a chuan dingin suti lai chuan a hmalama hian thil dang lam tak mai thlengin chu thil thleng chu a motor das scam chuan chiang takin alo record fuwa karvar pakhat achunga tir sokoranda chu veilam pangatang hian arun tlan pheya ama a kar ding chu arun pel fel deuh chi tia chuan motor chunga thir sokoranda chu alo tok mi lo mai ni chu mole mak takani he thil mak na em chu Rubicon a chuan na motor ma a dar thalanga po hian chiang takin alo la lang thei sia ma se motor phe na tanga arun chuak fel chi tia khan kha motor chunga thir sakor kha motor ommi lovin abong man dai maya motor phena atlan chung kha second khat lek tak tak chung ania eng tia khatia lo bo ringot nge ni tang le he thil thleng hi camera glitch camera chen tok lo wanga thil thleng ani theingem nge mitam takinan soi fo thin alien te hian kha thir sakor kha an lo la bo ani thei me ngem irin dan run soi lang ve te le ninga ni tlaya niya nu pakhat le afanu chu in chung lama chuan man mo tak chuan an tlan nu ta tu ti po an hret lo chuan aron zui ho hi alo niya tunge ni ti po an la hret ngai lo mi chuan an in thleng mai chuan aron zui lu ta ma se hei chau hi thilmak alani tlat lo
Looking at this ring camera footage, and I don't understand how I didn't see this, because this is ridiculous. I just called the police. Get out in front of my door. This is the last time I'm going to tell you. Get out in front of my door right now. The police on the way. Go!
Khatia pon lama mi tu ti po hret lovin an in bula aron zui thenta ka chuan in nei tu nu chuan lo havin heti la hian apartment 23 tang chuan kongkhar pui hi ama chuan ron in hongin ama vek chuan arun in khar leya a hong tu om ang hi eng thilma a ommi lovani he me cheno pangnu jasmine chuan he kongkhar pui ama arun in hong tamai chu makati in hetiang hian makati chan chu arun soi fi a
In the 3 years that I've lived here, I have never seen this door come open. Ever. Like, can't. But in the video, you saw the door just came open. Who opened the door? Like, look at that. Like, pitch black. Like, make it make sense. Like, how? How? I don't know. That don't make sense.
Jasmine chuan an apartment a chuan kum thum chung te meu mai alo khosak ve to thu le he room number somni pathum na hi an hong lai ala mu ngai mi lo thu chu aron soi chu ka chu chuan he room ama a aron in hong tamai kha amak na ati chiang hle ni chuta apartment nei tu te lampang chu he thil chungchang hi hriat tir ni in room number somni pathum na chu mi pakhat hian ron hon chu atum ta ni.
Okay, y'all, so property management sent somebody up to come take a look, so I'm gonna let him do what he do, and I'm gonna stay back here.
The light works.
You say the light works? Y'all, he said the light works. Oh, Lord. What is that? These other kids. Y'all. What the hell is going on? Y'all see all these little kids? She have put kids' shoes up in there. What the? So how did? So hold on, because no, this other day the door came open when I was in here. So if the door came open, like no, I'm sorry, I'm not. Okay, y'all. So remember the thing? I thought it was a snake. I really thought it was some plastic, but y'all, I'm not finna get close to this. This is real snake skin. Oh my God! Look at this. You can see like, ooh. Oh my God! Look at that.
Room number somni pathum na chunga chuan no pang pe khok tam tak mai hi alo om treu maya reloksa ani bik lo bok nen ambar khai hle ni room kila ta chuan roll in lip to na ni om tak vun hi alo om boka makan ti ni chuta Jasmine chuan police ta chu hriat tir mai chu tha in hria a chuti lai chuan a video chu en letin thil mak tak mai a hmule tatlat mai eng thil chu nge ni yang in en le teang
That I took with the property manager guy, right? And I noticed something in them pile of shoes. Those frozen Elsa boots, whatever you want to call it. Those boots are my daughter's. Like, I'm gonna show y'all a picture that me and my daughter took, like, I want to say like 2 months ago. Yo, this is crazy because I really thought she just lost them at school. Those shoes belong to my daughter.
Jasmine chuan afanu phei khok chu eng tiang chi nge room number somni pathum na chunga khan alo om thei ti chu a hre thiang bik lova he room number somni pathum na hi rei tak chung chu lua lum lovin alo om towa chumi wang ta po chu ni nge makan ti na chu azul hle ni lua tu om si lova khati zat mai no pang phei khok lo om taringot ta chu makhanti lo rual chu ni lovani Jasmine chuan hetiang hian ngai dan chu alo siam ve boka
somebody in this building must be going around here just collecting shoes, just and I'm not gonna say collecting, stealing little kids' shoes around here. I've talked to at least 2 or 3 different people in this building who have said that their children been missing shoes. So I'm thinking that somebody has access to that room and they're going around stealing shoes and then taking them and putting them in there. They're just putting shoes in the room. Like it just none of this makes sense to me right now. None of it.
Jasmine rin dan chuan tu tenemo he room number somni pathum na chabi hi ne in chung no pang phe kho kan lak khom ta chu chulai room chunga chuan an ta ta thina ni ta chu aring dawa ma se chu po chu ani rin dan ve mai thawani in nei tu ta po chuan chu room number somni pathum na chabi chu thlakin dorlok ta chuan thlaka chung phe khok zong zong ta po chu bol hlo bom lama pai tur chuan an da bo zui ta ni Jasmine chu room number somni pathum na chu lo thli thlai deuh thin tur chuan an ngen zui ta boka Jasmine chuan camera chu pon lama chung kamin no pang phe khok chu ong khar bula chuan ada boka chung phe khok la khom thin tu toy mani chuan chu phe khok churn la in eng thile moni tak chu aron ti chu aring dawa ni ni chung chu eng thil ma chu thleng lova ma se a zan thumna arun thlen chuan he thil hi arun thleng ta ni Jasmine in chuta phaiko kada chu ama chuan arun chetamaya Jasmine te then omloka omnu po chuan lau takin kongkhar chu kharin in chung lama chuan alut zuita ni Jasmine then omnu suidan chuan khatia kongkhar arun hon khan pon lama chuan no pang tapri no pang thom ni om tak chu hre in a hoi kola ma seng thil ma la chu a hmu lo thu a soi boka khati hoi ko lai khan khatiang thil kha arun thleng ta ni an then omnu hian room number som ni pathumna tang hian thom chu arun chuk ni chu na hre a lauduk taka khati om lai khan kha phei kho kha a khoi tu omme lovin khatiang khan arun om tamaya ni voini thleng hian Jasmine hian khatiang thil dang lam kha apos chun zom le to lova khamini tang khan khang thil mak tak tak ta kha atop zui ta nge ala thleng zel ti po hi hriat thei ani to bik lovani